Hi everyone and welcome to the 5ers weekly analysis. I would like to remind you that if you want to receive updates on our weekly webinars, trading idea or any Forex articles, you are more than welcome to subscribe to our channels and to our newsletters, of course. Okay, so let's start. I'll start with the US oil, okay? And this is the 1 hour chart, the hourly chart. And as we can see, the price after the significant rally up, the price has dropped down and broke out this first demand and also this one that below, which indicates that the price, at least for the swing traders, now become bearish again. And if we are looking to the left of the price, we can see exactly where the price was stopped, which is this level. Okay, and that indicates that most likely the price tends to reach some demand level, some strong level that will succeed to stop the price. And as we can see, the next one available, it's just here below. That's demand here. You can see exactly here how the price was really rally up very fast from that level, which indicates of demand level. So for the medium terms or for swing traders, I believe that the price is here now, but still it indicates that the price tends to reach this demand. So I'll wait for the price and try to join this momentum, and we'll sell the US oil, but only if the price will reach here this supply above, and only if it will happen before the price will touch this demand below. So for the US oil, I'll sit and wait to see if the price will reach this supply, which seems like a great supply to sell the US oil. That will be the level for sell position, and the target will be this demand here. I'll try to zoom out a little bit. Okay, for those who want to take for another target, to take another target for this position, it definitely can be this one below. Okay, this demand here below, it's not a demand, it was a demand. Here we can see, I'll take it a bit to the middle. All right, as we can see, it was a demand originally, which already tested once. So I would call it support for now, this level. But that can be definitely the final target for this sell position. Okay. Now, the New Zealand, the Kiwi dollar. Okay, we can see we are still in the, again, we are in the hourly chart, 1 hour chart here. Okay, and I marked this supply above, which already tested by the price. You can see here the price already touched this one, but it didn't get far away from this level. So I still believe we have a good chance at this area to sell. Of course, the best and the most accurate level to sell is exactly here when the price touched the supply. But this already happened, and still we can look for any reason to sell the Kiwi dollar, because I believe that, and as it looks now, the price is on its way to reach this demand here below, which is the next available demand. As you can see here, last time, the last bottom of the price, you can see it here, just stopped when the price reached this level, which doesn't look like kind of a very significant level, and therefore I believe the price tends to reach this level here below this demand, which looks more significant and powerful. So I'll still look for a reason to buy here. I wouldn't say it will be on the first touch because it's already happened, but maybe if we go to the lower time frame, you will find a good reason to trying to join this opportunity. So maybe if the price will break out this last low that the price creates in this uptrend of the 15-minute chart, can be the indicate, can be the confirmation zone to try to join this opportunity. I'll put the line here, which is the last bottom. It can be another, like the second signal to sell this Kiwi dollar, and go back to the hourly chart. And this demand here below will be the target. If we are looking more right, this demand here at the bottom, of course, can be also the final target for those who want to work with two targets. Okay, let's continue. The next pair I'll choose is the GBP AUD, the GBP Aussie. Okay, you can hear me good. I would like to make sure that you all can hear me and see my screen, of course. I didn't check at the beginning, but I hope you all can see and hear me. Okay, so let's continue. All right. So as you can see, the GBP and the Aussie look a bit like the previous currency we checked, the Kiwi and the dollar, which is above us there is a fresh new supply, and below there is a fresh demand. The price still didn't touch at the supply above, and not even the demand below. So it's kind of between those levels, the price now. So I'll wait for the price to get back to check this supply above. And as it looks now, I consider a great level to sell the GBP AUD. And the target will be this demand below. And from this demand below, I believe that for the long term, if we look at the daily chart, it seems like that in the long term, this demand can be a great level for buy position. Okay, and back to the hourly chart. This demand below can be a great level for buy position for the long term, for the higher time frame picture. So I'll sell at this supply level above and definitely close the position if it's occur at this demand, and consider to buy again. Okay. The last one will be the US dollar and the Swiss. I'll start with the hourly chart, with the 1 hour chart. And I marked above this supply, as you can see here, which look like a significant one and very powerful one. So I'll sell at this supply, the US dollar and the Swiss. And if I'll zoom out a little bit, or if maybe we'll take the 4 hour chart. Okay, you can see now. I'll put a line on the first target that I believe the price can reach, which is this one. This support below can be the target for this sell position. We can see on the 4 hour chart, we can see more clearly this supply above, which is the a few little candles here above. And if I'll take it here, okay, now it's more clear, and it's definitely look like a great supply to sell. And so far the price is struggling to get up to this supply, and as long as it take, it's better. If it's take longer and longer, it's much better for us. It indicates that this uptrend is kind of powerless, and if we get with this powerless movement to this powerful level, it's a good combination. So I'll sell this supply. My first target will be definitely this support here below. And for those who want to work with 2 or more targets, we try to set. Okay, on this daily chart, we can see what I marked here, which consider, at least for me, considered as the final target that the price tends to reach with this downtrend. Okay, and that's demand below. It's where I'll definitely close all the position. It seems like the target, the source of all this very fast and very significant demand. That seems like the source, and definitely a powerful level. So also it can be a great level, by the way, for a buy position for the long term also. So I'll sell this supply above and close this position. The first target will be the last support just below us, and the final target will be this demand here at the bottom. Okay, so that's all for this week. Thank you all for joining. Hope you're going to have a great and successful trading week. Thank you very much. Bye bye.